We've been sorting ties for a long, long time. It started with men and tongs. For the past 80 years, men and machines have been doing the same thing. Now there's a new way to sort ties. Precision Sorting Systems has engineered a complete installation so that you can sort your ties with less labor than ever before. Load the in-feed tie deck. Warm up the kickers at the start of the day. This 12-bay sorter will allow you to sort 6x8s and 7x9 ties into junk grade, spur grade, and all your landscaping grades. The ties are singulated and fall onto the conveyor belt where they're measured, After accurate measurement and grade decision, they go to one of 12 sorting bays to hold your inventory. The complete system is operated from an air-conditioned control cab with a touchscreen computer that allows you the flexibility and adjustment to put the graded ties into any bay you wish. Precision Sorting Systems has fabricated the complete system to be installed easily at your job site. This installation took just 2 days to set the mechanical equipment. You start with a pile of unsorted ties. You have to do something with each one. And you want precision sorted ties, each grade carefully inspected before packaging. Labor used to be cheap, not anymore. And you never know where your ties are going to end up. Someone might use them for the wrong thing. Call Precision Sorting Systems. Let us help you make your yard a modern 21st century sorting yard.